What's up, English lovers? It's Harindi from Headway Learning Solutions. Today, our lesson is about pronouns. Let's see what pronouns are. Look at this word. Mother. Mother is a noun. Is there any other word we can use instead of mother? Let's see. Mother cooks rice. Instead of saying mother cooks rice, you can say it like this also. She cooks rice. When you say she cooks rice, you are indicating about your mother. Father drives the car. Instead of saying father drives the car, you can say he drives the car. Then he and she are pronouns. There are several pronouns you can use. I, we, you, she, he, it and they. They can all be substituted to any other noun there is to be said. So let's see how to categorize the pronouns. Right, let's see the first category of pronouns. The first category of pronouns are nominative pronouns. These are called subject pronouns as well. These are the subject pronouns. I, we, you, they, she, he, it. I is singular, we plural, you singular and plural, they plural, she, he, it singular. So, why do we call these the subject pronouns? Let's see why. Let's write a sentence. I go to school. Who goes to school? It's you. So you say, I go to school. If any sentence begins with a pronoun, then we call them subject pronouns because the subject or the person who does the action is over here at the beginning of the sentence. So it is a subject pronoun. We go to school. Instead of saying we go to school, you can also say my friends go to school. You substitute we to my friends. Then you can substitute we to my friends to we. That's how we use pronouns. You go to school. They go to school. She goes to school. That's how the sentences are constructed. Let's move to the second category of pronouns. The second category of pronouns are object pronouns. Same as subject pronouns, in object pronouns, the pronoun is located at the end of the sentence. That means in the position of object. Let's see. Me. I like mangoes. I like mangoes is a sentence made with a subject pronoun. Give some mangoes to me. In here, me is located right at the end of the sentence. That means in the position of the object. So, it is an object pronoun. You. You are a good student. I like you. So, you is located right at the end of the sentence. Him. He wants to go to the hospital. Please go with him. There, him is located at the end. Therefore, it is an object pronoun. Remember, not like in subject pronouns, but in object pronouns, sometimes the spellings are different and the pronunciation is different. Try to locate them. Let's move to the third type of pronouns. Right, The third category is possessive pronoun. When someone possesses something, it means that someone owns something. Look at the first sentence. That book is my book. I own this book. How to tell it using a possessive pronoun? This is how you say it. That book is mine. My book is a possessive adjective. This is the possessive pronoun. Identify the difference. Right. My car is better than your car. This car is owned by you. Therefore, it is about a possession. How to say that sentence? My car is better than yours. My car is better than yours. It is a possessive pronoun. Let's see the third sentence. I have an idea. Tell me your idea. The idea which you can give. Your ownership is there. Let's see how to say that. I have an idea. Tell me yours. This is a possessive pronoun. There are other possessive pronouns as well. Let's move to the final category of pronouns. Let's talk about reflexive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns reflect the action of the main pronoun. Let's see how to do that. If a person personally does their action, you have to use a reflexive pronoun to emphasize that that person did the action alone by themselves. Let's see. She saved some money to pay for the house. We can improve this sentence by using a reflexive pronoun. Watch. She saved some money herself to pay for the house. She is the pronoun, subjective pronoun. She did this action all by herself. Therefore, you put the reflexive pronoun herself in here. Let's see the second sentence. David poured a cup of tea. David, of course, did it by himself. How to say it? David poured himself a cup of tea. Third one. I travel to different countries. You do it by yourself. How to say it? I myself travel to different countries. That is how you use reflexive pronouns. So, my dear English lovers, today we learnt about pronouns. Next week I'll come up with another new lesson. Until then, practice your pronouns. Until then, see you later. Bye bye.